In this video, we're going to take a look at how to turn on or off the Google Chrome Safe Search feature. Chrome has changed this up a bit since the last time I made a video on this, so we're going to take a look at how to find the new settings and also a few different options to try if you're still having an issue keeping it turned off. Start by opening Chrome, heading to google.com, and then searching for anything. All we need is the search result page. Now at the top, there's two spots that we can find the Safe Search option. The first one is right here, and it now has a drop down. This is the new quick option that Google has added. Choose this, and then from the menu, you can filter explicit results, blur explicit images, or you can turn it off completely. Make your choice, and then Chrome will refresh your page with your new settings. If you don't see this option though, instead choose the settings gear right here. Inside of the quick settings, and then down inside of the use search section, choose Safe Search. It'll then take you to the Safe Search page where you can then make the same search settings that we just looked at before. If for some reason your settings aren't sticking and you're still having issues, I've dug into a bunch of solutions that have worked for some, so we'll go through them and hopefully one of them will help you out. First, let's make sure that you have the latest Chrome update. It could be that there's a bug or a setting stuck in the version that you're on. To do this, choose the three dots on the top right of the window, then choose Help, and then finally inside of here, choose About Chrome. Chrome will then check for any updates, and if there's one available, it'll download and install it. Once it's finished, just relaunch Chrome and try the Safe Search option again. Next, if that didn't help, we can just make sure that you're actually logged into your Google Chrome account. If you're not logged in, some people have said that Safe Search defaults to always on. And if you are logged in, try to log out and then back in. To do this, head back to your Google search results, and then choose your Google profile account icon here. Next, at the bottom, click Sign Out of All Accounts. Once you're signed out, you can then go ahead and log back in and then try Safe Search again. The next thing that we're going to try is turning Safe Search off at the Google account level. To get there, choose your Google profile icon here again, and then select Manage Google Account. Now inside of here, at the top in the search bar, type Search Settings. Once inside of here, you'll see Safe Search. Choose that, and then inside, make your selection. And again, after that, head back to your Google results, and hopefully it'll stay on the choice that you've made. The next thing that could be causing the issue is that Google thinks that your profile on your account is actually too young, and that you're being age restricted. Head back to your Google account page here, and then choose Personal Info on the left menu. Next, choose your birthday, and then inside of here, make sure that it's correct and over 18 years of age. If you do have to make a change, remember to scroll down to the bottom and then hit Save, and then head back to your search results and see if it helps. There's another option that you can try to make a change on, and it has to do with how your actual internet provider is set up. Some people have said that their ISP level actually has a filter set that keeps turning Safe Search on. So we can try to change our browser's DNS to something different to see if that helps. Start by choosing the three dots on the top right of the page, and then choosing Settings. Next, select Privacy and Security on the left, and then Security again once you're inside of here. Scroll down, and then inside of the Advanced section, you'll see Use Secure DNS. This is kind of a last resort, but let's change this to see if it helps. By default, it's going to be set to your current service provider. Instead, choose With, and then from the drop-down menu, we'll try selecting something like Google Public DNS. After that, close and relaunch your browser, and then see if it works. And if it still isn't working, the last thing that you can try is changing your default search engine off of Google to another one like Bing or Yahoo. From inside of the Settings menu still, choose Search Engine on the left menu. Under the Search Engine Used option, select the drop-down, and then change this from Google to another option, whichever one you prefer. And again, after you make your choice, start a new search, and hopefully this will work. If for some reason none of these options have worked, then it could unfortunately be another issue outside of your actual browser. Things that could be causing this are that you're on a public Wi-Fi or a network, and that network has Safe Search enabled as default. This would be a school, a workplace, or another public place like that. Another is that your internet service provider itself has a block on explicit content or strict filters in place. You could try to reach out to them to see if that is the case, and hopefully they can help. But I have read that in certain countries and regions, they have really strict rules on this. This has been a pretty big video, and there's a lot of different things that you can try here. And unfortunately, it's one of those issues that not everyone is having, and it becomes a lot harder to actually pinpoint a solution. But hopefully, one of the ways that I've seen that's worked for others that I've shown you here can help you out. Let me know in the comments below if one has worked, or if you're still having problems. And let me know if you found another solution, and maybe it can help somebody else out that's looking for one. And that's how you turn on and off SafeSearch inside of Google Chrome, and some different solutions that you can try if you're still having problems.